Afternoon guys, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. We have another new stock arrived this afternoon. It's a Ford Tourneo. This is a 6-seater van, but it's also been professionally modified for a wheelchair access. I'm going to show you inside. Have a look at the boots there guys. It's quite easy. Push this button there. Go. And the wheelchair. We do have an electric winch that's attached as well, so that easily drags the wheelchair into the van. And it's quite easy to put it back. Right, like I said guys, 45,000 miles, automatic diesel, no VAT 8995. You're not going to find any of these anywhere, right? We don't get these very often. Every time when we get them, we sell them straight away. We bought 7 of these last week, right? They're all on our website. So please do give us a ring on 01325 484870 or visit our website brownlowscars.co.uk. Thank you. Right, looking at the spec inside guys, it only has 45,000 miles on the clock. It is an automatic diesel and it's only up for 18,995. Now, the 6-seat, the 3 seats in the front, 3 seats in the back, right? They are very spacious, 3 proper seats, you know, a lot of leg room there, easy to get in.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.